I lost people whom I know, and their only crime was that they farmed in their village and slept in their village. If that's a crime, then we have no country.
We are here to bring to the notice of the world what has happened to our people back in Nigeria. We feel it's not getting the attention it needs, and we need the world to support us to talk to our president. People, helpless women and children and men, we are attacked while they were slaves. I want you to know that that community will never sleep again.
The window for acting decisively and fairly is fast closing. A state that does not protect its citizens quickly loses its legitimacy.
Yes.
It will be very, very unpalatable for the government to start acting after reprisal killings have started taking place. A state that does not protect its citizens loses legitimacy in the eyes of the people. Mr. President, please act now.
Please.
But we will not even wait. We will alert the whole world. We will alert the whole world and let the world know the preferential treatment this group has been receiving.
It's time for him to act. This is the time for Nigerians to act now. This is not an issue of Igbo man. This is the issue for every Nigerian. They've gone to Delta, the same thing they did. They went to Edo State, the same thing. So everywhere they go, they will kill people. So this is the time for our nation to react, rise up and fight against this thing.
Listen to the voice of the masses before this will degenerate to an uncontrollable situation. Because when the country will collapse in a violent way, which we do not pray, then the politicians may not even have an access to the airports. We have seen what has happened in Somalia. We have seen what has happened in Rwanda and other places. We do not wish that such thing will happen in Nigeria. We want people, the politician from the eastern region, the politician from the north, the politician from the west, for all of them to dialogue with all different organizations, the youth, to discuss on how to move forward. Nigeria is not a blessing to us. Let us stop holding that which is killing us. Let us discuss. Live together either in peace or disintegrate in peace. Thank you very much.
Challenge us to a serious provocation, and they are only waiting for a reprisal attack to attack us terrorists. They might get that. They might get that. They might